classmates, and Doc Mel. My report for today is about the contents of the magazine program and the studio production. So first of all, what is a contensive magazine program? It's a kind of a mixture of items, topics, contributors, and as well as the formats and techniques. And this way, the program will be more engaging to the listeners. Now, we all have what's called the part of the radio magazine program is a musical number. So it may be rendered by a local talent or from records, CDs, or tapes. So as you can see here on the picture, there you can see the lineup. The radio station that I was working before, we used Spotify to produce the lineup of the music because when the songs came from Spotify records, the flow the flow of it to the radio waves is very good. It's high of being in high quality. Now next, what is the elements of the and structure of musical number? We have the signature tune, so it's a catchy musical bite that acts the program's theme song and conveying its purpose and tone. It's comparable, it's less like to the cover of a print magazine. So it's like you need to have your own identity to recognize your program. Now we have the musical bites. So the musical bites is short musical pieces used as bridges or stings to transition. We call this one in the radio station a stinger. It's a transition between segments that keeping the show's flow smooth and also engaging. Now we have the soundscapes. It's a music combined with sound effects to create an imaginative setting for listeners because we are all listening to the ear. So, such as the sounds of the daily live during a segment about the marketplace. We also have the message songs. It must be played during, for example, you're reading a text message or a sad letters. Is a music tracks with relevant themes that can introduce or reinforce the topic of a segment. We call this one a beds. A beds is like a music background. Next is the live or recorded performance. So a musical number can be a pre-recorded segment with music from artists or a live or in a studio performance. There is a segment or a program that win by the national artists, local music artists that they want to promote their songs, their original composition during my stay on the radio stations before. Next is the example of musical number in the program. We had what we call the music spotlight. So it's kind of segment that introduces a new artist or album, often followed by an interview and a sample of a music. And then we have the Tropic Thursday, where a host discusses the history of a particular song or the genre before playing a track. Next, we have the topical songs. It is a pre-selected song with a message that fits to the theme. For example, it's about the farming in the program or for rural communities. And like I said earlier, the live performance. So some magazine programs they feature in studio performances by musical guests. So as for our community program radio station, we invite local artists or local music artists. And then we also had the listener request. So it's a dedicated section where the host plays the songs that had been requested by listeners. It's either be a phone call or social media or a text. Next is here's an example of uh, theme song created by my students in university.
Buksan na ang radyo at makinig, mamangha, lahat ay sasaya. Pakinggan ang mga hiling, tulog ko, pinig mo, tatak, reaktibo.
Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ito ang radyong inaabangan, tinututukan at tinatangkilik ng sambayanan. Ito ang Radyo Reaktibo.
Buksan na ang radyo at makinig, mamangha, lahat ay sasaya. Pakinggan ang mga hiling, tulog ko, pinig mo, tatak, reaktibo.
Alright, so theme song on the radio magazine programs, Radio Reactivo. When I first heard it, I uh, I have what is called LSS or last song syndrome because it's very having a teen drama vibes, and so now, news can be a situational reports and updates or announcement. Ito po yung bigla na lang sisingit sa isang radio magazine program. So either breaking news or an update in the social community. So as you can see, this is one of the programs during my stay on the radio station. It's called TOH or Top of the Hour News. It's very, very short news to present online. Next is we have the Okay, so there's a news magazine radio program. It's a weekly or monthly broadcast that also features in-depth reporting on current events similar to its print and television counterparts. So this is a very special in a radio magazine program. We had to feature story in an interesting topic. So for a radio magazine program, an interesting feature story combines, of course, there's need a human interest that may catch the attention of the listeners with the unique and alternate subjects. So the topic should be something that engages the listeners' imaginations, may go widely about their brains, and through sound, interviews, and of course, visual, vivid storytelling. I will provide also an example of this audience participation. So Hiraya is a radio drama that looks like a letter, written letters from the DJ. So the program radio at the keyboard. So in this way, the listeners may be more engaging, especially if the story is very catching the human influence. So when it comes to engagement, there's an audience participation that it may involve phone calls, letters, studio guests, visitors, or box box. It's a box box, which means the opinion of the people. Now, next, we have the plugs and spots. So in a radio magazine, plugs are short. It's a non-paid announcement that promoted station content. It's a jingle, they're jingles. While spots or the commercial spots, these are the paid advertisement for commercial products or services. So this is a both crucial for engaging listeners and also the generating venue as structural the program's scope. Now, here is example of an AOB. In it, AOB is announcing phone word. It's like a spot, but we are reading it on live.
EO Executive Optical EO Love Your Eyes for expert eye care and affordable eyewear.
Like
Come
the
visit
EO.
EO Executive Optical with branches in
One of
iMall,
our
Family,
clients.
Pavilion Mall,
Alright,
Soledad,
next,
Valley,
this one is the example of the spots and the plug. During the break resort, that particular is the plug of the station.
Kayo'y nakikinig sa 106.3 Alam niyo ba ang RD Contract ay
And that is the
47 years na nagsiservisyo at ang may mataas na appraisal, may mababang cash pa daw.
Now, we will proceed to studio production. So, what entails about the studio productions? It is important to rehearse the script, even in the news broadcaster. In a radio magazine product, you need to rehearse the script in order to avoid mistakes in the pronunciation, because it's a very no-no in a radio program or in a radio. So next, all things should be well timed. It should be well timed. It should be on time. The intros, the music, as well as the interviews. Remember, we only have 1 hour on the radio program. Next is provide the technician a guide script. This is very important because if the technician don't have the guide script, it may cause to technical difficulties, and the technician may be feel lost, and that may cause the program a bit not in order. Next, in every newsroom or radio program, there's a different kind of warning cues. So when recording or doing the program live, give warning of approaching cues to the technician. So, but mostly the technician should be the one who's giving the warning cues. For example, a part of the technician, my signal to my DJs is when I sign this one, which means on hold because I'm just taking the live on air. And then if this one, okay, which means you're good to go for the talking. Now, next, the recognize the limitation because it's important if the person who's handling the production show is a new. It's important to have the communication because we can avoid what we call the technical issue during the live on air. So here is the example of the sequence guide. It's important to take note that everything is to be in order to maintain the 1 hour in a radio program. So we see in 1 minute, you should play your intro signature music, the teasers, and in the 2 minutes to 30 seconds, you have the weather report, and the 3 minutes, you have the local and national headlines, and then the 30 seconds, 3 minutes to 30 seconds, the fire news, and etc. So that's all for my report. So here is my question, and here is the references. Thank you very much.